I've got a very interesting question today. It says, what's the one thing that I can learn from you today? The one thing you can learn is relaxation. I'll teach you today. It's the most important thing in the world. Only when you're relaxed, your senses are working fully. Do you know this? Okay, I want you to try this experiment, okay? Make your forearm really tight, okay? And tap your forearm with 4 fingers. Okay, 1 finger. Tap your forearm tight with 1 finger. Now relax your forearm, okay? Shake it up, massage it, relax it, shake it up. Relax it, breathe into it. Make it soft, okay? It's going to become like this, okay? And now do the same touch. The same touch. It feels different, okay? Make it tight. It feels different. And this touch, you have a lot more information about the finger. In this, you're only getting information about the force when you're tense. But when you relax, you're getting information about the finger as well. I hope you notice this. The more relaxed you are, the more information you're going to get about the thing that you're interacting with, whatever it is. If you're using your senses and interacting with something, you get more and more information from that thing. So let's say you're trying to lift this, okay? If I'm trying to lift this, if I do it with tension, I make my hand tense and then I lift it, it just comes up. I don't have any information about it. But if I want information about it, I have to really relax and slowly lift. And then I'll get, so much more information about, I'm feeling its shape without even looking at it. Earlier it was just a weight, but now because I'm lifting it, even without looking at it, I'm able to visualize what kind of shape it is. Okay? So just got more information from that. Don't take my word for it. Try it on many things. If you're trying to write a program, right? Maybe you're a software developer and you're trying to write some program, and then what happens? If you're tense, you write your worst work. But if you're relaxed, then you can go to Google and copy all the code and make it really nice, right? Just kidding. Okay. So when we in our minds, when we relax, in our bodies when we relax, okay, because there's nothing called emotional or mental relaxation. There's always a corresponding muscle which lets go when you relax mentally or emotionally. There's a relief, okay? Can you be in relief all the time? That's the one thing you can learn from me, okay? Be relaxed, be relieved all the time. Just don't have any conflict inside your body. Every time you have a conflict, muscles will get knotted up. Fascia over the muscle get knotted up like this. Every time you have a conflict, can you just go through life without a conflict? Yeah. Today morning I posted some stuff and somebody was trying to make a conflict with me, and I didn't get into it. I just said I'm not interested. So when I said I'm not interested, and I even messaged him and I told him that I'm not interested to continue this line of conversation. Yeah. Happened twice actually. I had to tell 2 people in the morning with relaxation. Like, relax. Okay. They got triggered by something that I posted, and then they started commenting nastily on my post. I'm like, I don't need this ugliness, do I? So you relax. When you relax, you can deal with things. They don't become ugly. But when you have tension, then it's always ugly, isn't it? Think about it. What is the ugliest thing that you've done in your life? And then notice in that memory, how tense were you? I've done a lot of ugly things in my life. I've beaten up people. I've done a lot of ugly things, okay? Just like you. And if I think about these ugly things that I'm not proud of, I'll realize that I've done it in tension. I've done a lot of things that I'm proud of too. And every time I think of them, I realize that I've been in relaxation. I've been okay with whatever happens. I'm all right with whatever goes on. I'm there in the game. If things are not good, I'm ready to fix it. If things are going good, then I'm ready to celebrate it. And also keep my eyes open for the next way. You know, when things are going good, you know what they're going to become next? Bad. You got it. Yeah. Because if you don't pay attention, if we start getting tense, then good things automatically become bad. And then they kind of settle there in that, you know. So we are organisms. We as organisms, our job is to fight the general entropy of the universe, where things are just disorganizing and becoming more and more chaotic. An organism like us and all of the other organisms, our job is to organize the universe, okay? If you want to organize the universe, you got to be really relaxed. You got to chill, you got to see things, you got to see in between the lines, you have to see the lines that were not even written, and you have to see like inside a person. You have to look inside and really see them for who they are, okay? So that's about being relaxed. So the more you're relaxed, the more your brain will organize things. And do get a lot of rest and sleep, so that, you know, resting is as important as working. I like to take a 4-day weekend and work 3 days. But nowadays it's not possible. I have to work 4 days and take a 3-day weekend, okay? Because I'm trying to move from here, where I live, to another place. So little less relaxation, but still I'm doing everything very relaxed, okay? My body is totally relaxed, okay? This is my bicep, bam, bam, bam. This is how my muscles are. So even though I work out a lot and I lift a lot of weights, it's just like soft, okay? Can you make yourself soft? Soften is a nice way. If you tell your muscles relax, they're not going to relax. You say become soft and allow yourself to totally relax. The softer you are, the longer your life is. The harder you get, the shorter your life. Remember this and focus on relaxation. It's the only thing you can learn from me. It's the only thing worth learning in this world, okay? Thank you for the question, and if you like this, hit share, follow my page, subscribe, hit these bell icon thingies so that my face comes up on your phone every time that we post a video. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.